hiking Breakneck Ridge. I'm gonna use 28-200mm lens. There's gonna be a lot of climbing, so the higher I get, the more beautiful shots I'll be able to take. Very steep climb. Very steep incline and a lot of it. There's actually people over there. There's like a castle there. Doing great. There's a bridge there. Let's take a look at the camera. Sony a7C Mark II. It's very similar to the first version. Full frame, compact, great for travel. I love it. The lens is 28-200mm Tamron. You can see it's not that small, but it's pretty good for what it is. Not too heavy. Let's take a look at the settings. I used shutter priority mode. These are the settings. So I'm using autofocusing, but you can see I'm moving the focusing point around depending on where I want to focus specifically. Shutter speed, it was about this, like somewhere, depending what I was trying to achieve. A little bit of overexposure, and as it got dark, I think I moved it to like 0.7. And one last thing, I was using a creative look, vivid. I think it's called vivid. See, this is standard. Dun, dun, dun. This is the one I use. That's it. The pictures are straight out of camera, no editing.